It's time to expand our selection of mixed media powders inspired by Seth Apter. We've got 2 new quads to level up your crafty stash. Introducing the Building Blocks quad, designed to invoke the rugged industrial charm of traditional building materials: brick, asphalt, granite, and concrete. Here is some amazing inspiration from our fabulous design team and special guests. These powders are rough, imperfect, and ideal for mixed media, providing the foundational building blocks for your artistic creations. Experience the rough, textured, and industrial charm of the Building Blocks quad. Next, allow me to introduce our vibrant citrus quad, offering a burst of colour and texture that brings your artistic visions to life. Olive, rusty, tomato, and kiwi gold. Our fabulous design team and special guests have prepared some stunning inspiration that we'd love to share. Each powder in this quad captures the essence of its namesake, providing a smooth, shiny finish with chunky sparkles that add a touch of magic to any project. The Citrus Quad is designed to perfectly match a group of fresco finish acrylic paints from Paper Artsy with the same names, allowing for seamless layering and blending. The powders can be used in conjunction with their corresponding paints or standalone to create stunning effects. We hope you enjoy this release as much as we do. Happy embossing!